If you've ever woken up to a text from a major corporate client asking, "Hey, just checking in, where are we at with the strategy roadmap?" then you already know how frustrating it is when your delivery process feels like a total mystery to the person paying for it. The actual work is getting done behind the scenes, but because your client can't see the progress, they get anxious and start micromanaging you. You end up spending more time writing status update emails than actually consulting. To fix this, you don't need a heavier internal project management tool. You need a unified client portal, a single polished ecosystem where your clients can log in, sign contracts, pay invoices, and see exactly what milestones your team is hitting in real time. Now, the client portal that completely saved my own backend operations is Assembly, which is why I reached out to them directly to sponsor today's video. I've included an affiliate link down in the description below. Using that link earns us a small commission, which honestly helps keep the lights on here, and it doesn't cost you a single penny extra. But here's the thing, the portal that worked for me might not work for you. So today I'm going to break down the 3 best CRM portals for consulting businesses by comparing Agency Handy, SuiteDash, and Assembly. Hopefully that will help you find the system that's just right for your specific workflow. Now, every consulting firm is unique, so let's get into it by looking at how Assembly handles the client journey. When I first started looking for a unified portal, I wasn't trying to find a massive piece of software that would force me to completely rebuild my business from scratch. I just wanted a way to stop being a logistics file manager for my clients. What won me over with Assembly is its modular portal-first design. Instead of forcing you to abandon the tools you already rely on, Assembly acts like a high-end boutique hotel lobby. You can cleanly embed your existing Google Drive folders, interactive Miro roadmaps, custom spreadsheets, or Notion databases directly into a beautifully white-labeled client dashboard. On the back end, your internal workflow stays exactly the same, but to your corporate clients, it feels like they're logging into a single, seamless software system built exclusively for them. The specific moment this platform clicked for me was when I set up what they call chain reaction logic. In consulting, momentum is everything. Usually when a client signs a proposal, the manual scramble begins. You have to manually email the invoice, generate a shared folder, and ping them to book a kickoff call. With Assembly, you can set it up so that everything is taken care of automatically. The exact millisecond a client's onboarding payment clears, the portal automatically triggers a cascading sequence. It instantly unlocks their phase 1 project tasks, serves up their strategic intake form, and displays your scheduling link. When you're doing heavy background research, data pooling, or competitive analysis, your internal task management can look incredibly messy. Assembly allows you to link all those gritty internal tasks to a client's profile behind the scenes without making them visible to the client. You can run your operations cleanly in the background and then selectively toggle a milestone to visible only when you're ready to present the final strategy. It completely eliminates those anxious, just checking in client emails because they can see a steady, polished stream of progress. And if you want to expand your revenue, you can also use their built-in product store feature. Instead of writing a whole new salesy proposal when a retained client asks for an extra workshop, you can list standard add-ons, like a one-time deep dive audit, right inside their portal. They can buy it in one click, and the system automatically handles the invoicing and kicks off the workflow. Now, in terms of pricing, Assembly is a highly scalable investment for a growing firm. When paid annually, the starter plan is $39 a month to handle your core CRM and billing needs. The professional plan is $149 a month when billed annually, and that unlocks custom domains, advanced portal branding, and automation logic. They also have advanced and enterprise tiers as your team scales up. So if you're a growing firm that's completely tired of the manual onboarding dance and playing paperwork babysitter for your stack of software tools, then Assembly is going to be the perfect fit for you. Now, that being said, if your consulting business doesn't really deal with highly customized, long-term corporate strategies, and you run a high-volume shop built around fixed, repeatable packages, Agency Handy is a fascinating alternative. While testing this platform, I realized that it operates under a very different philosophy than Assembly, because it isn't trying to be a deep project management system. It's designed to be more of a streamlined e-commerce storefront for digital services. The standout feature here is the visual service catalog. Instead of spending your week jumping on custom discovery calls and writing bespoke proposals, you lay out your standard consulting packages in a clean, branded retail layout. You can offer things like 1-hour strategy session or fixed content audit. Then a lead clicks on the service, pays up front, fills out a form, and is automatically dropped into a predefined delivery queue. Their back-end billing engine is incredibly efficient. It natively handles subscription retainers, split payments, and multiple currencies, which is fantastic if you're working with international clients. But the trade-off here comes down to flexibility and cost. Agency Handy used to be known as the highly affordable option for solo creators, but they've completely restructured their platform. Today, their basic freelancer plan starts at $29 a month, and if you want to scale up to their team starter plan, you're jumping to $99 per month. And the Business Pro plan is for $199 per month. They do offer discounts sometimes if you choose to pay annually, but promotions may change. So here's the real catch for consultants. If you want to break out of the rigid checkout design and actually embed external tools like interactive Notion dashboards, custom timelines, or shared spreadsheets for your clients, those basic features are locked behind their tier starter and business pro tiers. You have to pay a premium just to unlock the basic flexibility that other tools give you out of the box. So if you're a solo operator selling strictly fixed-priced, productized assets with a highly standardized delivery process, Agency Handy's entry tier might be enough to keep you organized. But be aware that the exact second your consulting business grows, and you need a flexible team setup that plays nice with your other software, you're going to hit a wall of forced upgrades and pricing spikes. Now, moving to the exact opposite end of the spectrum, we have SuiteDash. If Agency Handy is too small and rigid, SuiteDash is a massive spiraling industrial warehouse. SuiteDash operates under a very specific core idea: software consolidation at all costs. It aims to natively replace your CRM, client portals, file vaults, dynamic proposals, email marketing, support ticketing, and even your internal learning management systems to host training courses, all under one roof. It's an absolute powerhouse of raw code and automation logic. You can build out elaborate client flows that force a user through onboarding checklists, contract signatures, and automated module unlocks without you ever touching a key. But there's a major catch here, and it's something you need to look in the eye before jumping in. SuiteDash has an incredibly steep learning curve. Because it tries to build every single tool natively instead of integrating external ones, it sacrifices user experience. The interface feels text-heavy, dense, and slightly dated. It forces your consulting firm to run operations entirely within its rigid internal environment rather than letting you cleanly embed modern, elegant software your clients actually enjoy using. It routinely causes massive system paralysis, often requiring upwards of 20 hours of internal configuration and constant system maintenance just to get standard workflows off the ground. Now, where SuiteDash disrupts the market is its pricing model. It uses a flat rate billing structure with 0 per user fees, billed monthly. The start plan is $19 a month for core tools and basic white labeling. The Thrive plan sits at $49 a month to add proposals and deal pipelines. And the top tier Pinnacle plan is $99 a month, which unlocks advanced automation. So if you're a larger, established firm with a dedicated operations manager on staff, and your absolute top priority is massive software consolidation at a flat monthly rate, SuiteDash gives you an immense amount of software for the money. But be aware that if you're just looking for a clean, intuitive client experience, this option might be overkill. All right, so after living in the trenches of these portals, this is exactly how I think you should choose the best system for your consulting business. If your business lives and dies by high volume, fixed price retail offers, then Agency Handy is the well-structured storefront that'll get you up and running in 20 minutes. And if you're running a massive agency with heavy operational support and your main goal is flat rate software consolidation, then SuiteDash is the powerhouse database that gives you the most tools for your dollar. But for 90% of the independent advisors, fractional executives, and ideal consulting teams watching this, the clear winner is Assembly. It's the only platform that strikes the perfect balance. It gives you the automated backend power of a high-end CRM, but instead of forcing you to build a complex software empire from scratch, it lets you simply embed the tools you already rely on into a premium, unified layout that makes you look like a $1 million firm. And if you want to see how it fits into your own workflow, you can check out the affiliate link in the description. And big thanks again to Assembly for sponsoring this video. If you found this helpful, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.